Alright, sup guys, it's Cody, and today I'll be going over a simple Hello World program. So you want to open up Visual Studio, and I'll be going over how to start a project and all that as well. Once a Visual Studio wants to load. Alright, so sweet, it loaded. You can see I tried before. Didn't like that video though, so I cut it. So what I typically do is whenever I create a project, I go to create a new project, and then you have a list of templates. So what I do is I find empty project.c++ Windows console, and I select that and I click next. You can also select console app. At this point it's preference, console app or empty project. I do empty project though. I'm going to do that so I can explain other stuff in C++ when we go to create files. Now I'll be naming my program Hello World 2, and this is the project name. I'm going to click create. Also, in the description of this video, I'll leave another source to learn C++ as well, because maybe my videos aren't helpful enough, so I'll make sure that you guys can find some other way to learn, like I did, because I didn't use only one video. I used a bunch of videos and things to learn. So what you want to do is you're going to open Visual Studio and have a blank page in front of you. You want to go to this on the side, wherever the Solution Explorer is at. Right click on Source Files and click Add and then New Item. And then you want to do C++ file, and this has the .cpp extension. Ignore the other two for now. We'll get into them later. Not in this video, but yeah. Alright. So done. It's up. Alright, so now we have the file. The file is in our screen, and what we'll do is we'll begin by hashtag include, and then two angle brackets IOStream. Now what this is going to do is it's going to copy and paste all of the contents in IOStream into this file. Okay? So that means that we'll be able to do stuff that's in the standard library, which is good. We want that. So what I just typed is a function. So it's got a return type of an int, and its name is main. Now I'll go over functions in the future, but I just wanted to say that real quick because its return type is special, because we're going to be returning 0, and what this is, it's called a return indicator. And these two slashes, by the way, indicate a comment. So I do this so I'm able to explain stuff basically in text. A comment won't ever be compiled by the computer at all, unless maybe you forget to signify that's a comment. Okay, so what this return status indicator means though is that if it returns 0, that means the program ran fine, everything was good, 10 out of 10. However, if it doesn't return 0, that means something went wrong, and Windows is designed to, do something based on what it returns. So or how to exit the program. So what we'll do now is we'll print something like hello world to the screen, okay? So to do that, you want to type std cout. And now what cout is cout is a function located in the std library. Std is not std the disease, and it is the standard template library. Maybe development library, maybe not. I don't know. Anyways, these two colons indicate that it's within it. So this indicates that cout is within std. Next, you want to put two less than signs, and then you want to put a string. To indicate that it's a string, we want two quotation marks, followed by what's inside, or not followed by, but put inside what you want to say. So in my case, I'll say hello world, or we'll say hello Cody, and spice this up. And then put two more less than signs, and this indicates that we're calling another thing basically after that. I don't know exactly what it indicates, but I just you do it whenever you need to add something to something. So we'll do std end line. And what std end line means is that basically it's the end of the line. So if we do std hello, this is now on a whole separate line. And if we do std and this is going to be on the same line. These two things are on the same line. and if we did something else below it, it would be in that same line too. However, you know, I don't want that, so I'll do this. I'll call std end line, which just ends the line. And it also ends the buffer stream, which isn't that meaningful. It's just something you should note. You should know, I guess. It won't be a big deal though. It's okay. So we'll run this program now, and we'll actually call this hello world. So it's a bit different. So when we run this, we now wait. It's a bit slow. Alright, so now we see hello Cody matches it, hello world matches it, and it followed the logic that we expected. So how does this work? Okay, so the main function is called, cout is called, hello world is given to cout, and then cout does some magic and puts it onto the console, and then std end line is called and does some magic that ends the line, and then same thing happens with this and this, and then after those two lines are ran, it comes to this and it says, oh, return 0, okay, return, that's the end of the main function, okay, the program's done. Basically, when the main function's returned, that means the flow is stopped. Once you return something, it stops. Nothing after this will run. And we can see this if we launch the program now. We see it only says hello Cody, which is what we expected. At least what I expected. I don't know about you guys. Alright, so that was all I wanted to do, and for this video was simply explain a simple hello world program and some of the things within it. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if you have a problem, or join my Discord and I can try to help you out. We got tons of people in there that should be able to help you out. And by tons, I mean like a couple of my friends. But thanks for watching again. Leave a comment. I just said that. And maybe you should like the video because I'm trying really hard. And thanks for watching.